Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Twine It Up Challenge, and this is hosted by Fanny from Creations by Favi and Sandra from DIYs with Chirstmas. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. This is the final reveal of all my projects. So let me start with this cute bunny inside that egg container. And this is the bottom part of the egg container. I used the top for another project. I just painted brown color to cover the gold paint on it. And after that, I just gave like a green twine around it and a bow on the top. And I also stuck it on top of one of the the spool after I just finished using the lace, the round color spool that is found, and I just painted brown, that also, and then I twined green jute twine around it just to give the base for that. And I stuck this egg container on top of it, and I also stuck moss everywhere inside the container, and just to want to bring nature inside that. And I stuck like flowers blooming out from the greenery. So, and also I laid this ceramic bunny, and this is from my previous project, and I also laid some flowers, some moss, and I stuck one of the carrot, and I made it stand on one of the previous project pedestal. So this is all blending in together in the same color, so I'm absolutely loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this. And here I just used those plastic container carrots. I just twined with jute twine, and I also decorated it with one of the lace ribbon, white color, and then I stuck one of the white flower on top, and the other one I just twined with baker's twine, and it's actually a cotton yarn that is also from Dollar Tree. It was coming in red and white color, so I thought like I should twine it up, and it's absolutely beautiful. I just love it how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on these as well. And here, these are all from the leftovers from my previous projects. So this was one of the sign from the wall hanging, and I just painted brown, and then the stick is from another project. So I just grouped it together, and I gave a sign as bunny trail, and I wrote with chalk paint, and I also gave dots around it with my paint pen. And this is one of the flower pot. I distressed it, and I also decorated with a burlap ribbon and then gave a bow, and I stuffed with a lot of leftover after I used the flowers, the back part of the flower, the green one, so I just wanted to still decorate them as flowers around it, and some greenery inside the flower pot. And I just stuck some floral moss to just give like natural look to it, and some on the top. So this is just a bunny trail sign, and this is the bunny station, I would say, where Bunny is enjoying with the carrots inside one of her dome home. So I'm very happy how these turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this, and which one is your favorite. You want to leave any suggestions towards my channel, please leave it in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.